Hey everybody, welcome back to day 31 of class. I'm excited to help you guys get started with today and give you some instructions and give you our random question for today. So I want to know, what is an item that is on your bucket list? If you don't know what a bucket list is, it's a list of things that you want to accomplish or do in your life. I'll tell you a few of mine. One would be, there's a lot. Oh, one is that I want to see the Northern Lights, the Aurora Borealis. I think that would be super cool. Another one would be that I want to go to New Zealand. I had plans to go to New Zealand actually this December, but things kind of got ruined, so that's a bummer. But that's something that's on my list. Man, I've got a lot. I've got a lot of other ones. I could list off a ton more things, but tell me some of yours. I want to know. Shoot them to me in an email. That way I feel like I'm still connected to you guys, because I've said it a bunch, but I miss seeing you guys in class. It's hard to feel like I'm being a teacher when I'm not around my students. So help me out. Shoot me a text or shoot me an email with your response to the random question, and it'll make my day awesome. Okay, today, since it's day 31, I'm going to recap what we did previously. We started working on part 1 of our Unit 2 test, where you're creating a new phone and need to get customer feedback in order to build that phone. Okay, so I'm going to jump back to show you guys where that's at, in case you're like, uh-oh, I don't know what the Unit 2 test is, or part 1. Let's go back to the home, and then we're going to search for the Unit 2 test. Pull it up on here. By the way, if you're watching this video and you already know this stuff, feel free to just jump into it. But for those of you that this is new, this is for your benefit. Okay, the Unit 2 test, part 1. So click on it here, and okay, so it's to test what you've learned about the problem-solving process using the acronym IDEA. Okay, so this whole test is just designed to test your problem-solving ability. If you want additional instructions, you can view the slideshow or watch the other video that I made for day 30. It gives you some additional instructions. You can see the worksheet here. I'll click on that. And the worksheet's pretty simple, right? It's not... Hopefully you guys can appreciate that this is a simple test. Because what you're doing is you're going to ask... Well, I won't repeat everything because it's in the video. If you go back to the video here, I explain exactly what to do for the test. But suffice it to say, what I'm really looking for on here, more than anything, is detail. If you can give me details in these sections, especially here in the yellow and the blue section, you will do awesome. Okay? Give me as much detail as you can in these two sections, and you'll do great on the test. And then tomorrow, we are going to prep for the we're going to prep for part 2 of the Unit 2 test. I've separated our test into 2 separate assignments, or 2 different, objectives, because I didn't want to give you guys just a multiple choice, because that's kind of boring and not very fun. I thought this would be more interactive. I thought you guys would enjoy it better. Okay, so I'll leave it at that. Shoot me an email if you guys have questions or need help. I am going to be specifically available from the hour of 11 until 12 each day. I'll be vigilant watching my emails. That way, if you have questions or need help, I'm there. I can respond, and you can get answers to your questions, hopefully very quickly. Okay, you guys are awesome. Hope you guys are doing great, and we'll talk to you soon.